So there are a lot of different formats for ads that you can create on Facebook. One of those is the carousel ad format. And these can be really useful for advertising different services that your business offers, like different categories of products as well. It can also be used to explain different product features. Like if you're in the e-commerce industry, you might want to show a lifestyle image of someone using your product and then proceed through the carousel to highlight specific product features, or zoom in on certain aspects of the product to show close-ups. And I can pull up Facebook ads library to show an example of what one of these might look like. Let me load Facebook ads library and share my screen really quickly to give an example of what this might look like in action. Okay, so there will be a carousel ad in here. There we go. So this is just an example of a weight loss business. This is an example of a carousel ad, and I can actually pull this up. Oh, to make it a little bigger. So if you see here, it says frustrated with diets that don't work. And then it says say goodbye to crash diets, find balance, tailor the journey to fit your unique needs. And then the final call to action card in this carousel, start today. So that's just one example of how a service-based business might use carousel ads. But they can be really beneficial, especially if you have multiple things that you want to highlight within that specific ad. So definitely give them a try for your business. Whatever industry you're in, I'm sure you could find a use case for the carousel ad format.